How to say this word in Arabic? Different. Different. To be different. How to say this in Arabic? Different. Different, of course, is used for male and female in English. In Arabic, we say مختلف. مختلف. If we're talking about male. Female, مختلفة. Okay, how to say in Arabic, I am a different person now. أنا شخص مختلف الآن. Now, الآن. أنا شخص مختلف الآن. Now, how to say in Arabic, important. Important. Important is used for male and female. In Arabic, we don't use the same word for both. Okay, important in Arabic is muhim. Muhimmun for the male. For female, muhimmatun. How to say in Arabic, you are very important to me. أنت مهم جدا بالنسبة لي. أنت مهم جدا بالنسبة لي. If you are talking to a female, أنت مهمة جدا بالنسبة لي. How to say in Arabic, difficult. Difficult. How to say difficult. Difficult is صعب. صعب. صعب for male. For female, صعبة. I know this is difficult. I know this is difficult. أعلم أن هذا صعب. I know. أعلم or أعرف أن هذا صعب. This is difficult. Successful. How to say successful in Arabic? Successful. Someone who is successful, or a woman who is successful. In Arabic we say ناجح. ناجح for male. For female, ناجحة. I am very successful. I am very successful. أنا ناجح جدا. Very جدا. أنا ناجح جدا. I am very successful. How to say in Arabic the word expensive. 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 This is very expensive. So in Arabic we say غال. غال. For female, غالية. This ring is very expensive. هذا الخاتم. الخاتم ring. هذا الخاتم غالي جدا. غالي جدا. هذا الخاتم. This ring. How to say in Arabic impossible. 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 This is impossible. So in Arabic the word impossible is مستحيل. 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 For female, مستحيلة. I think this is impossible. I think this is impossible. أعتقد أن هذا مستحيل. أعتقد أن. I think that. Okay, أن is that. This is impossible. هذا مستحيل. أعتقد أن هذا مستحيل. You can say أعتقد or أظن. Aggressive. How to say aggressive in Arabic? Aggressive. To be aggressive. So the word aggressive in Arabic is عدواني. عدواني for the male. For female عدوانية. Why are you aggressive? Why are you aggressive? Why? لماذا? لماذا أنت عدواني? You are aggressive. لماذا أنت عدواني? If you're talking to a female, لماذا أنت عدوانية? لماذا أنت عدوانية? Curious. Curious. How to say curious in Arabic? How to say curious in Arabic? To be curious, to know. To be curious to know something about others. فضولي. شخص فضولي. A person who is curious. فضولي. For female we say فضولية. Why are you so curious? لماذا? Why? لماذا أنت فضولي جدا? لماذا أنت فضولي جدا? If you are talking to a female, لماذا أنت فضولية جدا? How to say in Arabic? Embarrassed. To be embarrassed. Embarrassed in Arabic is to be محرج. محرج. Okay? For male, محرج. For female, محرجة with ta at the end. محرجة. Why are you embarrassed? لماذا أنت محرج? لماذا أنت محرج? For female, لماذا أنت محرجة? Okay? If you're talking to a female, لماذا أنت محرجة? محرجة. How to say in Arabic private. 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 So the word private in Arabic is خاص. خاص for the male. For female, خاصة. This is a private meeting. This is a private meeting. هذا اجتماع خاص. اجتماع is meeting. Okay? Meeting. اجتماع. اجتماع. هذا اجتماع خاص. This is a private meeting. Okay. How to say in Arabic comfortable or comfortable? How to say in Arabic comfortable? Comfortable. Something comfortable. Okay? So the word comfortable in Arabic is مريح. 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 For female, مريحة. This train is comfortable or comfortable. This train is comfortable. هذا القطار مريح. هذا القطار مريح. هذا this. هذا القطار مريح. How to say in Arabic tourist. Tourist. What is tourist in Arabic? Tourist. Someone who visits another country. How do you call it in Arabic? سائح. سائح. For female, سائحة. For plural, سياح. I am just a tourist. أنا فقط سائح. أنا فقط سائح. أنا فقط سائح. if a female is talking, أنا فقط سائحة. فقط, just. Okay? فقط is just. Sensitive. How to say in Arabic? Sensitive, to be sensitive of someone or of something. Sensitive. Sensitive is in Arabic is حساس. حساس. If you're talking about male, if you're talking about female, حساسة. Don't be so sensitive. Don't be so sensitive. لا تكن شديد الحساسية. لا تكن شديد الحساسية. لا تكن. Don't be. Wonderful. Wonderful. How to say wonderful in Arabic? For example, a wonderful sight or whatever. Wonderful. So wonderful in Arabic is رائع. 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 For female, رائعة. What a wonderful view. What a wonderful view. يا له من منظر رائع. يا له. What a منظر, view. رائع, wonderful. Okay? In Arabic we switch the noun and the adjective. We don't start with the adjective. Now the exercise is write in the comments what you hear. أنا أستمتع بعطلتي. أنا أستمتع بعطلتي.